So this video will be short because I'm entering for a mock contest. So let's get on to the main purpose of this video, my LEGO Geonosis Battle mock. Here we have the Separatist army, a tank, a Tri-Dryad, and other droids. For the Grand Army of the Republic, we have Mace Windu. A custom looks awesome. Can't afford the real one. I also have Commander Cody and some 212 clones pushing the battle. We have another squad coming in, and the jet is me as a Jedi with a small phase 2 squad. Also a custom Commander Wilco. Heavy Trooper. Phase 2 gunner inside with the old, using the big gun. Phase 1 here, I don't have many Phase 1 clones, so I used Phase 2 for this battle mainly. Overview. Please subscribe and like. I hope I win.